I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to sign up on WeChat. First, download the WeChat application from your device's App Store, whether it's the Apple App Store or Google Play. Once installed, open the app and tap Sign Up. You'll then choose Sign Up via mobile to register with your phone number. Make sure to carefully read and agree to the WeChat terms of service and privacy policy before proceeding to the next step. Next, you'll need to provide some basic account details. Enter a nickname, select your region, and create a strong password that includes a mix of letters, numbers, and symbols for security. Then, input your phone number, which will be used for verification. You'll likely encounter a security verification puzzle or slider to complete. Shortly after, a 6-digit verification code will be sent to your registered phone number via SMS. Occasionally, new WeChat accounts require a friend to verify your registration. This is a security measure. An existing WeChat user who has been active for at least 6 months and hasn't verified another new account in the past month can help. They will receive a notification or scan a QR code provided by your registration process to confirm your identity. This step ensures a more secure and trusted community within the platform. Once you receive the 6-digit verification code, enter it into the app to finalize your registration. Congratulations, you're now on WeChat. Take a moment to set up your profile picture and a personal status message. You can then begin exploring WeChat's extensive features, such as messaging, sharing updates on moments, and even using its payment functionalities. Start connecting with your friends and family right away.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.